Okay, here we go again. Another day, another packing TikTok live. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 bags going out today. And usually I just go to TikTok live and let them watch because some people want to see their own bag getting packaged up. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you're seeing this on YouTube and you're enjoying our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to give us some love. And go watch our Richport series where we show behind the scenes a lot more in depth than our packing videos, behind the scenes, buying bags, selling bags, and everything in between. Here's our website, milkhoneycollection.com. I know it's backwards, but at least it helps a little bit. How cool is this for fall? This is a really, really neat fall bag. I'm excited for my customer to get this. And I know for a fact that she also has another black denim one, so she obviously likes it. This is actually going out to my customer Mariah, who has purchased, I think, 33 or 35 bags. So first, I'm just gonna take this strap out. I like to take the strap out to protect it from the rubbing on the exterior of the bag. And then we're gonna bubble wrap it up, put it in a dust bag, and it's gonna go. All right, this one's heading out to Corpus Christi, Texas. And again, it is this customer's, I believe, her 32nd order after just finding us about, what, 2 or 3 months ago? Oh man, and fun fact, I don't know if you know this, Shanna, but when she bought that, she bought a Balenciaga bag. It was her very first. When she did, it was her very first designer purchase ever. All right, next up, let's see. Oh, this is a good one. Body style bag, so that's kind of how it's supposed to be worn. They don't get this one in very often, so I'm glad that this was picked up. Actually, this is going to Susan, and I think Susan might have ordered something else. One sec, let me double check. Oh yeah, she bought this wallet as well. So a little 2 for order going out to Susan. These 2 bags, and I think, let's see. Not quite. I was gonna say, well, maybe. Yeah, she can fit that little wallet that she got right inside of there. How awesome is that? I don't know if you're on here, Susan, but that's a really cool little combo there. I do get the Geronimos in very often, but the Gange is pretty hard to get. But whenever I see one available, I grab it up. So don't worry. All right, what's next, guys? Wow, this one. This can also be worn as a crossbody bag. How amazing is that? So an outstanding pickup, and I'm not even kidding when I say that. So this one is going out to I think it's a new customer too. Bubble wrap her up, and then she's going to go out. This Gucci bag, for instance, was in pristine condition, and I believe the price was like $13.95. This bag would have sold for $1,900, I think around $2,000 new. So in pristine condition for only $13.95, she absolutely got a steal. So let me tuck the strap on the inside. And then we're gonna buckle it up. I don't know. All right, these next 2 bags are going out to my Australian customer. She's a great customer. She's purchased, I think, 4 bags now, and we shipped to Australia. So the first was this nearly mint condition red Verni Sarah wallet, and that came with a dust bag and the box. So it was a full set. And then the Gucci little toiletry pouch she purchased as well. This is actually going out to a customer who has followed us for a while, and she finally made her first purchase. So I'm really excited that she snagged such a great bag. All right, another Stallone going out, second one shipping out today. So we had 2 of these in stock, and I have 1 more coming in later this week, I believe, because I just ordered it last night. So maybe Friday, which Friday is Matt's birthday. So we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do. Are we gonna do anything like on your actual birthday? I don't know. Like, I haven't even thought about going like to a restaurant or something.
Wow.
Sorry. Well, so we're throwing a big party bash for him on Saturday, so I don't want to hear it. Saturday, have y'all ever heard of the word chinchorreo? It's a Puerto Rican thing, so if y'all are not Puerto Rican, it might be confusing, but basically, it's essentially a Puerto Rican word for bar hopping, but in a fancy way. So, if that makes sense. So we're gonna go into the mountains of Puerto Rico and go to a bunch of different restaurants and stuff. We're gonna dress real cute, and then it's gonna be like fallish weather here in Puerto Rico, and when I say that, I mean like high 70s. So we're gonna have like fall clothes on. It's gonna be cute. And
most likely we'll be at Richport.
we're having a birthday bash. He has 6, well, we have 6 other friends, so 7 people that have birthdays within a couple of days. So I already ordered cakes for everybody, like little smash cakes. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be a Richport episode, so if you don't follow us on YouTube, do that so you can see Matt's birthday bash on YouTube. We're gonna film it all. And y'all know what I'm gonna do, because we have some crazy friends. I'm gonna do one of those TikToks that's like, all right, tell everyone it's your first drink of the night. And then at the end of the video, okay, tell everyone it's your last drink of the night. We have some crazy friends, okay? So it's gonna be crazy. Anyways, totally off topic. 2 of these in stock, and I have 1 more coming in later this week, I believe. %100% money back guarantee on authenticity. We don't have paperwork that we send with it, but we have a 100% money back guarantee, which we've actually never had to use the guarantee because we've never sold a non-authentic item. So if that tells you anything, it should. You're more than welcome to use a third-party source like Pro Authenticators on Facebook. They're a really good, well-known third-party source. And if for whatever reason, literally whatever reason they were to say, because I trust Pro Authenticators, if they were to say that it's not, then we'll give you your money back. But I've never had that situation ever, ever, ever. So we do have 2 professional authenticators that our bags go through before they go out to you. So, all right, this one is a denim sack flat limited edition rare bag. That's the first one of this one that I've seen, and somebody snagged that last night on the live. I'm really, really excited for them. That is a stunning bag, and the condition is pristine. Pristine condition for this bag. I think it's a 2006. Ooh, so cute. I wanted to keep it. Should wear it on my chinchorreo. This one came with its original dust bag, so we're going to include that, of course. If the bag does come with its original, we will include it for you. If it does not, then we will give you one of our custom ones. So that's going in this LV dust bag. Oh, and this was actually really nice. Just darkened. Very nice. And then the inside, let's see. Inside on that one was Also nice. This is a dust bunny that I'm gonna remove. Oh, it's really nice. And then she ordered this Dior, I already tucked the crossbody strap in, but it's a Dior crossbody bag. It's like a rectangle shape, very cute little duo there. This Odeon, I forgot about it because she had just changed it right before the live. She decided that she wanted the small one instead of the big one. It's kind of perfect because she got the small one, so she needs the small dust bag, and I kind of ran out of my big dust bags. I only have one left. All right, last one. Okay, so we just finished boxing all of these up. We had 11 items, and actually I had one return that I need to send back to a buyer because I got it and it was not in the condition that it was described, and I don't want to give my customers something that I don't personally feel like is in really nice condition. So I have one return, and all of these I'm running out of dust bags. I have one large one left. I've already ordered them, so that's good. I need to get more boxes that are like this size because that's my favorite one to ship in, and I need a tape dispenser because I look like a weirdo like cutting my thing during TikTok all the time, but we'll survive. I'm gonna go buy those things now, and hopefully we'll survive until I get my dust bags in. They are ready to go. We are shipping these out. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, like, subscribe, comment below, and we will see you next time.